Today I will tell you how to do dihybrid cross, or we can also say that inheritance of two genes. So simply I'm taking the example from your NCERT only. So सबसे पहले what we have to do, we will write the parents. For example here parents are round and yellow, and on the other side the other parent is wrinkled and green. Right, wrinkled and green. So what does it signifies that a single parent is having a round seeded character and the color is yellow and both are dominating. So for round we will write R capitals में, and for yellow we will write YY capitals में. Opposite to round, wrinkled is the recessive character, so here we will write small r, and here we will write small y, because green is the recessive character for yellow. Yellow जो है वो dominating है and green is the recessive character. After writing parents we will make gametes. So what will be gametes here? The gametes will be capital R, capital Y here and small r, small y here. Now the point comes that how we will make these gametes. See, easy way I am telling you, and what is that? How to make gametes. Okay, this is not, you will not show this to your board teacher, you will make it in rough. See, here R, Y completely are one parents. What you will do, similar alphabet you will write on one side, like from here left to right, and the dissimilar wale you will write from up to down. So you will multiply it, it will become RY, and RY. So these are the gametes. Similarly here small r, small y, so similar one from left to right and dissimilar one up to down. Small r, small y, small r, small y, small r, small y, and small r, small y. These are the gamete. So see here in the main question mein, this is the gametes which I have made. Right. After that we will show the cross, the F1 generation. We will make a box here. And what we are going to do, as there are 4 gametes in total, so similar type of gamete we are going to write from left to right. So here I have written all the similar gamete and here the other gametes. Small r, small y, small r, small y, small r, small y, and small r, small y. When we will cross it, it will come capital R, capital Y, small y. Clear? So all these will be same. Okay, I'm not writing it again. All will be same. So what we conclude, that in F1 generation, the result will be capital R, capital Y, small y. As per law of dominance, capital R, small r coming together, it will represent a round, and Y and capital Y coming together, it will represent yellow. So in dihybrid cross, in F1 generation, what we conclude, that the parents which was round and yellow, similar F1 generation is coming and the result is round and yellow. So bracket mein we will write it, all are round and yellow. Is it clear? After that, what we are going to do, similar parents we are using and we are going to do selfing. This is very important concept. Selfing we are going to do, and the parents will become now capital R, capital Y, small y, crossed with capital R, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Again, this is now the parents. Now we are going to find out the gametes. Again, come here, how to find the gametes. तो ये हमारे parents थे, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. So similar gamete on one side, dissimilar gamete on other side. So when we will multiply, it will become capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, then is capital R, small y, and last one is small r, small y. So these are the gametes, right? So as this parent is same, this parent is same, so the 4 gametes will be same, right? Now in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to find out the result. So here in F2 generation, we will write the gametes, capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital R, your small y, small r, small y. This is the gametes of one parent, writing from left to right. Next we will write from up to down. Capital R, capital Y, small r, capital Y, capital R small y, and last one is r small y. Again multiplication, what will be the result? Capital R, capital Y, capital this one. Capital R small r, capital Y, capital Y. Just keep it in mind, this is what I have used, and I am multiplying it with all these four gametes one by one. When we will multiply it with this, so it will come capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Similarly here, capital R small r, capital Y, small y. Next step, this is fixed, this will be multiplied. Capital R small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Sorry, it is small r, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small y. Now this is fixed. Capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, capital R, small y, small y, like this. After that, this will be fixed again. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small y, small r, small y, small y. So this is the result. But what we have to find, that what is the phenotype, because all this is representing the genotype. So what can be the probable genotype? It will be round and yellow, right? It will be round and green, right? After that, it will be wrinkled and yellow, and the last will be wrinkled and green. Is it clear? This should be the result. Round and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and yellow, and wrinkled and green. Now we have to count out of this result कि कितने round and yellow है, round and green कितने हैं, wrinkled and yellow कितने हैं, wrinkled and green कितने हैं. Firstly, here it will be round and yellow, very clear. It will be again round and yellow, it will be again round and yellow, it will be again round and yellow, round and yellow. This will not be round, this will be round and yellow, this will be round and yellow, this will be round and yellow. This is round but it is not yellow, this is round but it is not yellow. Again round and yellow, not round, this is round but it is not yellow, this is round but it is not yellow. No, this is cancelled. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So round and yellow will be 9. Now next one, round and green. So round will be, capital R, and green will be small yellow. So here जो बच गया है, this is not round, this is not round, this is round. So this is again, I am making it with a cloud circle, round and green. This is again round and green. This is again round and green. So 3 will be round and green. Similarly, wrinkled and yellow. Wrinkled मतलब small r coming together. Yellow means capital Y or capital Y के साथ small y. So here it is wrinkled and your yellow. Here it is wrinkled and yellow. Here is wrinkled and yellow. So कितने हो गए wrinkled and yellow? 3. Last one, wrinkled and green. So only one is here, wrinkled and green. So what is the ratio of a dihybrid cross? 9:3:3:1. Clear? So what we conclude? Here, this is the resultant of inheritance of two genes, which is called as dihybrid cross. And beta, dihybrid cross से what we conclude? We conclude a law which is called as principle of independent assortment. Very easy. Principle of independent assortment. Okay, in the next video I'm telling you what is principle of independent assortment.